Ever look at an item on Amazon and then later see an ad for that same item on another website? Or been surprised with a recommendation that matches your hobby? Amazon accomplishes these feats by mining data from its 310 million consumer accounts to recommend products based on user behavior. The company keeps track not just of what customers buy, but also what items they view, and even what they remove from their carts. Data from other Amazon-owned sources can reveal what shows, movies, and books people prefer, what they say to Alexa, as well as what external sites they view that contain Amazon ads. Combined with demographic data like age, gender, payment type, and location that's tied to every user account, Amazon can build a picture of a customer's preferences. They use all this data to optimize how 1.5 billion items are distributed to 200 fulfillment centers around the world. If their data indicates a given county contains lots of new parents, for example, they might stock a popular brand of diaper at the closest distribution center. Or if an individual customer has added and removed a specific model of TV from their cart several times, Amazon might recommend a cheap flat screen to that customer, and even pre-ship it to a center nearby. So next time you get the feeling that an online retailer like Amazon is reading your mind, remember, they're only reading your data.